Hi everyone. This video will show you how to sync folders Windows 10 in 2 ways. If you want to sync folders easily, you can have a try. Way 1. Sync folders Windows 10 via MiniTool ShadowMaker. Launch MiniTool ShadowMaker. Go to the sync page. Hit source to tick the folder you want to sync and hit OK to return to the sync page. Hit destination to choose a destination path for the sync task. Click on Sync Now to start the process at once. In the Manage page, you can view the sync process. After the process is done, quit MiniTool ShadowMaker. Way 2. Sync folders Windows 10 via Sync Center. Move 1. Create a shared folder. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Ethernet. Change Advanced Sharing Options. Tick Turn on Network Discovery. Turn on File and Printer Sharing. And turn off Password Protected Sharing. Save the changes. Locate to the folder you want to share with and right-click on it to choose Properties. Under the Sharing tab, hit Share. Choose the people to share with and set the permission to read and write. Under the Sharing tab, hit Advanced Sharing. Tick Share this folder and apply the changes. Type CMD in the search bar and hit Enter to launch command prompt. Type ipconfig and hit Enter to get the Internet Protocol version 4 address. Move to Enable Offline Files. Type Control Panel in the search bar and hit Enter. Find Sync Center and hit it. Click on Manage Offline Files. Hit Enable Offline Files and save the changes. Move 3. Sync folders Windows 10. Press Win and R to open the Run dialog. Input 2 backward slashes plus the if4 address you got in the steps above and hit Enter. Right-click on the folder you want to share. Select Always Available Offline and wait for the process to complete. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.